Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to print your lists in your boards in Trello application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your Trello accounts, and if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook or uh, Apple accounts. Otherwise you can just sign up with your email and create your account. Then you will need just to follow these simple steps. So after you successfully open your workspace, you will need just to search for your boards. So you will need just to click on boards here, and then you will find the list of your boards. Then you are going to choose a board that you want to print it lists, and then you will have these board views. And then we are going to click on this 3 points action button, and then click more. After that, all we need to do is to search for print and export. So basically you click on it, and here you will find the print option. After you click on the print option, you will find these settings. So now either you are going to have like to print all the pages, or all the pages you can have custom pages, for example one, I mean two, and then you can have a layout for them. So you will have something like that. You can uh, have your lists, or your printing only with black and white, or with colors. You can have more settings about the size. For example, you can have small size for your lists. So as you can see, the more you are making it smaller, the more you will be able to print list by list your lists in your boards. So basically, let's make it a portrait again, and as you can see, you will have it displayed as follow. You can give it more things, more settings. As you can see, you can add margin, either they will be too narrow or minimum, for example, like that, or you can make them by default. You can have multiple things that you can add into printing, and of course you are adding just your printer here. You have in your the layout of your list, etc. And then you will need just to click print, and you will be able to print your list in a Trello application. So basically this is how you print your list on Trello. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.